This was Miha's first ever checkup with her pedia. Si Doc kasi sinasabi niya na super kamukha ni Miha si Mark, and yun, I'm showing the pictures here to prove her right. Akala mo okay lang si Heras dyan at pa-relax, pero sa totoo lang, kinakabahan na siya dyan at on the way pa lang, super tense niya. Miha girl has been our little bundle of joy, truly the princess of the family. We all love her so much, and not only is she very bungis-ngis, pero daldalita, super!
Very good. Oh, tapos na. Tapos na. Pasuot mo, nag-blend lahat. Oh, nay. Masistress yan lagi. Ang nakakasesyo pa ng referee. Oo nga eh. Sino?
Super strong and matapang ang baby girl namin. Mabilis siyang naka-move on kahit umiyak siya ng super malala.